Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the Finals game on your PC. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Steam application, and once you are taken into the store page, just click on the search box and then type in the Finals to begin your search. Once you find the game, you can click on it, and this will take you into the game page where you can check out the trailer and the reviews. Now click on the Add to Library button to add the game to your collection, and you can then click on the Play Game or the Play Now option to open up the installer. Now choose your install directory and click on the Install button, and just wait for the process to complete. Once it is done, you can start enjoying the Finals game on your PC right away. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the Finals game on your device. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.